what day is it today? It's the 1st of October, and so I wish you happy Inktober, of course. I'm starting to create a sketch and illustration every day in this month of October, and I will try to follow, as always, the official prompt list. This little video, is just a video of introduction about a new little project that I created last month, because Spoonflower, the company that prints on demand on fabrics and on wallpaper, Spoonflower asked me if I wanted to try to create a post on their blog about Inktober, speaking about Inktober and how I can turn my sketches, my illustrations for Inktober in patterns. And so I created two videos that I'm going to post here in the next days, where I will show you my process, and you can try to follow it and to learn how to create patterns from a real sketch made with ink. So I will use GIMP. As you know, I used to work in digital only with free software, so mainly with GIMP and also with Inkscape. And maybe you already know that I made some classes about these two softwares. I published them on Skillshare. But the next two videos that I'm going to post here on YouTube will be, of course, free. You can follow them free and see if you love this kind of software. So what else? Okay, it will be difficult to create an illustration every day. I think I will not manage this year to do all the 31 illustrations, because I'm really busy in this time, and I will be also away for 2 or 3 days in Rome next week, so I will not do every day, but I'll try to do the best I can. As you know, I used to work always with my ink brush pen, but this year I wish to try just to use ink with a brush. I want to create some illustrations just similar to watercolor, so a watercolor effect made with ink. What else? I bought some supplies, art supplies for Inktober, so I bought some new brushes that I needed to try, but I already know them. They should be Winsor & Newton. I used them in my art school and I remember I found them good. And I'm never happy of the paper, so I'm always looking for extra smooth paper, and I usually work with this kind of, I show you, with this kind of botanical ultra smooth paper, you know, and I wish it to be really extra smooth, so I can do little details, you know. And so this time I tried new brands, so the Canson one, this one, and I have to say this is really extra smooth, and also another one, this smooth surface. This is Winsor & Newton, but maybe you can't see it, but this kind of paper is not really white, so I don't know if I'm really happy of it. I find it not yellow, but not really white, you know. So let's see. I'll try them and I'll tell you if I find them good. What else? During this year I didn't do many patterns for Spoonflowers. I didn't work very much, but I tried to work more in a traditional way. So I started working with gouache. So this is a little illustration I made with gouache, and I'm using my Mary gouache, this kind of product. And so Now, it's all, and today is the 1st of October, so I have to start working on the first word. The word is ring, and I wish to do something about fairy and the fairy world, you know, so probably I'll be illustrating a fairy ring, you know, the rings with mushrooms where fairies can dance. So I think I'm going to do something like this for this first day of Inktober. So it's all, and see you soon for the next videos about how to turn Inktober sketches in patterns. Bye bye!